is the half a bathroom we are doing. So basically what we're trying to accomplish here is creating a shower right here, moving this door to the right side so the shower will be kind of going straight right here, eliminating the switches here, moving the switches to a different location. Same with this outlet right here. Right there is going to be a small vanity. The toilet now is going to be right here. So yeah, this toilet is going to be moved to that side, and then we're going to have a nice shower here. That's the goal. So the guys doing the protection now. We're going to keep our equipment and materials right there. And yeah, this is going to be a nice shower.